Welcome to the section on behavioral design patterns. Design patterns are common solutions to software design problems that you'll find over and over in real-world application development. Patterns are reusable designs and interactions of one or more objects. The 23 reference patterns from the Gang of Four are generally considered to be the foundation for all other patterns. They are categorized in three groups: creational, structural, and behavioral design patterns. In this section, we are going to look at the 11 behavioral design patterns. They are the chain of responsibility pattern, the command pattern, the interpreter pattern, the iterator pattern, the mediator pattern, the memento pattern, the observer pattern, the state pattern, the strategy pattern, the template method pattern, and the visitor pattern. Each of these patterns will help you structure the interaction between different parts of your application architecture. I will start each lecture by listing the intent of the pattern, meaning the problem that we are trying to solve by applying the pattern. Then I will list the benefits of using the pattern, and I'll show you a UML diagram of all the classes participating in the design pattern. Next, we move on to a concrete example. I will show you some code that uses the design pattern to solve a real-world problem. You can download this code and take a look yourself. The zip file is included with each lecture. Please note that each zip file contains two projects. One is the concrete example that I talk about in the lecture, but the other project is a template with all the classes that make up the pattern. You can use these templates to quickly implement the design patterns in your own projects. We will conclude with a quick checklist on how you can implement the pattern in your own code. I will share some final thoughts with you and then summarize everything that we've learned in the lecture. By the end of the section, you will have a solid grasp of all 11 behavioral design patterns. Okay, let's get started.